Hello everyone, and welcome back to another one of my YouTube videos. You may hear the engine running in the background, because it's not too cold outside, but for what we're going to be doing today, might want a bit of heat in the engine. So what I'm going to be doing today is painting the air filter lid. It's not too good condition really, it needs a bit of work, but nonetheless it needs painting. It's starting to rust in places, so if you leave it up too long, it will finish to rust through and then you will. Okay, so air filter lid off. I'll put the cover over that, the air filter itself for now, and the intake. We don't have anything to go inside. See, it's got a bit of rusty spots on it, so first thing first, we're going to use a wire brush. We'll take the screen, there we go, and we're just going to try to work off all the flakes of rust. Right, that's good enough I think with the wire brush. Got rid of all the loose parts. I do want to keep the label, so I'm going to work around the label and I will tape over the label when it's spraying. I just want to keep, I know it's a bit dirty and it's a bit tatty, but it's part of the original car and it's got a date of 1991 on it. So, and here comes the bottom end. So we're going to go with a wire brush, or not wire brush, some sandpaper, and that's going to help. Okay, I know this isn't the correct cloth, but I can't find my high-tack ones anywhere. And this is a microfiber cloth, so it's pretty much the same thing. Even though it's not actually the same thing, but or anywhere near the same thing. But it is actually getting rid of all the dirt. Well, not dirt, but rust and particles, which is what we want. Like I said, I do recommend getting an actual proper high-tack cloth. If you're painting, you want it done perfectly without any imperfections. Whereas this is just air filter housing, so I'm not going to be overly picky with the finish. But obviously I do want it to actually stick to the air filter rather than just peeling off like the paint is doing now. I've done a little rust behind it, but she's going to not help. So, if we can get it as clean as possible, that will help the paint to not come off in the future. So next coat, I know there's still a bit of rust on it, make sure one next coat is going to be that paint that prevents rust. So we're going to put some of that rust paint over. That would be the first coat, and then we're going to do primer. And then we're going to go for a gloss black, not gloss, satin black. And I may go over with a lacquer after. Now, I do say I want to try to save this sticker. Hopefully that'll stop the sticker from being destroyed. And we'll move the camera and put this rust proof paint on it for you. Now, the keen-eyed people of you will know I didn't take the rubber grommet out here, so that is actually been painted grey in primer. And I tried, if not good, to get it out, and it actually started to damage the rubber grommet, so I decided it'd be best just to leave it in. So I have done, which, okay, that's not the best way to do it. Again, like before, if I was doing a proper job and doing this professionally, I would take more time and effort to do stuff properly, but it's only meant to be a home DIY job just to make something look a lot better than before, which this will. Now, the next step after this is tried will be the black paint. So I decided I'm not going to put gloss on it, I'm just going to leave it matte black. So I believe from the factory these were just matte black, but I don't think they had any gloss to them at all. I could be wrong on that, but so I'm just going to leave it matte black, and hopefully that would be a bit more of a factory looking finish. And once this is dried, I'll go over in black paint, let that dry, and then put it back onto the air filter. But I will not put any bolts on or the clips. I've done that before, and as soon as you put bolts and clips on, it will damage the paint, so you need to allow it to dry for quite a long while before you do that. Heat will help get it to dry, but time will allow it to dry even better. Okay, so we're back. I've actually decided I'm going to show you just one coat what I'm doing. Again, do not copy what I'm doing. I'm not professional. I'm just doing it for myself. So it's not anyway meant to be instructive or informative. This video, take it purely as entertainment. This is not how you meant to do it yourself. That's just how I'm doing it for speed mainly. How I've always done it. That's a quick way for me, just makes them look a lot better than it did before. And once the paint's dried to matte, it should look better than it does now. Now, I'm going to move that round and the sun is going to dry. Okay, so we're back. On camera, it looks quite shiny, especially along. Like, see along here, it looks quite shiny. Looking at the camera doing this, it's not that shiny in person. It's really sunny hitting it. Now, I'm actually going to try to get this cover off. I won't use my hand, I don't get paint on my hand. I shall use a car key. Again, I don't recommend using your car key to do stuff like this, but I shall be. Hopefully, like so. Oh, actually use my hand, and it's come off my hand. The paint has. Not too bad, but it's definitely come off in my hand. Voila! Perfect! And we've kept part of the originality to this air filter. Now, again, if I was doing it properly, I would have taken the sticker off and tried to preserve it as good as possible and put it back on. Unfortunately, it's just not the case. Obviously, I don't think this sticker would come off very well at all. If it would, it would probably break whilst taking it off. So I definitely don't want to damage this sticker. It's original to the car. And it's like it's got the old system on it where it's got the 4-digit area number rather than what we are now, the 5-digit area number. Those of you in the UK will understand what I mean by that. And obviously, like I said, it's got the date on it when it was last serviced for the aircon. Obviously, it says 29 of the 10th 91. So that's when this car was built, I believe, or very near that time. So it's not a very old sticker, which I do not want to damage or replace. Again, there is around the edge a little bit where you see this, where the sticker, the marking tape was. The paint's not gone out properly, but I might quickly go over that again in a minute, or leave it how it is. Okay, so grab it from each corner with all of the rust. And that's all gone. We're going to carefully grab this, and we're just going to rest on top. Well, not rest on top, put a screw through. I'm going to find them. And we're going to call that job done. But as soon as you go in, got a look on your eye, you can tell it's not the best job in the world. But again, I've never said it is, and I've told you it won't be the best job in the world. If you look close up on that label, see what I mean. We're keeping it on the. Can you see there the 4-digit area number in the brackets? It's now 5-digit now. It's going to check your old, and you see the date on there as well. 91. Which is why I wanted to keep it like that. Now, it does look a lot better in the engine bay now. It looks like it actually had some work done to the car. So, yeah. Again, I'm going to start the car up now. Get some heat into it so hopefully it dries off. But for the most part, we're leaving it like that for a couple of days, letting it dry out. We're not going to be driving the car anywhere for a while now. So I'm going to start the car up, let it dry out. Yeah, not a bad job, but it could be better. That's what we'll say. Anyway, I'd like to say thank you for watching, and if you're not ready, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. If you like and subscribe, help us to see the channel to grow and more content coming out for you lot. And hopefully you do enjoy the content. So, once again, this has been On The Drive, and I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one. Okay, so I'm actually adding a part to this video. I was gonna do the finishing off of the air filter in a couple of days' time, but I'm actually gonna do the finishing touch now, and then before I drive the car next, it will be done. I will tighten them down, and it'll be fine. Okay, so if you look here on the air filter, there's 2 little tabs right there, and you see quite clearly there needs to be some sort of stick in there, which is this one here. That belongs on there. This is a reproduction sticker, it's not a genuine. So I'm going to put you down, put the sticker on, and pick you back up again, and then actually finish the video now. Yeah, so the sticker's now been applied, as you can tell. It's in between the lines. Like I said, this is a reproduction sticker. It's not a genuine, but it looks just like the genuine ones. I do believe you can't actually get these stickers brand new anymore now, which is why they're being reproduced. And that finishes the car off nicely. For some reason on the camera, from the screen I'm looking at, it looks very pale yellow, but in person it's a lot better colour. It looks so much better on there now. Again, it looks like the engine bay is, looked after, but it's not overly polished. Like, I'm not going to do them today, but once it's fully cured, I'm going to do these little clips, but I'm not going to put it on there because they will damage the paint. Actually, the paint's still not that strong yet. The sticker's going to rest on there. The paint is touch dry, so the sticker's not going to do any damage to the paint at all. But it's just the clips will do, so we'll put down a lot of pressure and go with the nuts. But it actually looks so much better now compared to what it was. Like I know it's still not the proper way of doing it. I completely understand that.